Hello, everybody. I hope all of you are doing fantastic and focusing on your studies. And I hope all of you are watching all the videos and trying out all the exercises. So today we are going to start with 7.5 exercise, introduction or explanation of 7.5 exercise of grade 12 CBSE board. This is the 7th lesson, which is integration, correct? This exercise, 7.5 exercise, talks about or explains us about what is partial fractions. This is partial fractions. A very interesting topic and actually a very easy topic as well. Usme zyada difficult kuch hai bhi nahi, theek hai? We will see how it is. So, partial fractions. When you have to use it, what kind of situation you have to use it, what are the functions, how are we going to solve, all that we will see. But before which, we have until now finished 4 exercises, correct? In which 7.1 exercise, we have learned about standard integration, which is just directly using the formulas, correct? See, always thoda sa पीछे जाके हमने पहले एक्सरसाइज में क्या सीखा और सीखते सीखते until now what all have we learned and where have we reached. If we are able to kind of understand that and always remember that, it's easy for us to keep the grip of the chapter, correct? So for that we must know until now what we have done, correct? So this is standard integration that we have done in 7.1. In standard integration, it is a simple use of direct formulas, kuch bhi nahi hai usme, correct? In 7.2, we learned how to use the substitution method, which we also use this substitution method in all the exercises after that. और ऐसा ही होता है हमेशा, आप जो पहले एक्सरसाइज में सीखोगे उसका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन दूसरे में होगा, दूसरे में सीखोगे तीसरे, तीसरे में सीखोगे चौथे एक्सरसाइज. Every time it is going to be the same thing. So you have to know what we have done in the previous exercises so that you are in control of the chapter, plus you know how we have to use the same thing in the exercises coming ahead. So trigonometric functions, integration of trigonometric functions, for which we have to know all the formulas, wo sare likhwaye the. I hope all of you have done that. And 7.4, we have learned some special functions, correct? Kaun se the wo some special functions, if you remember? Abhi humne we have finished that exercise. This kind of special function is integration of 1 by q, integration of 1 by root q, integration of L by q, and integration of L by root q. Correct? Hope all of you remember all this and you have practiced them well as well, correct? Now, when do we use this method? Which method? The partial fraction. Coming back to partial fractions, correct? Now, integration by partial fraction. When do we use partial fractions? So we use these partial fractions when we have to integrate a rational function, correct? So we can say that whenever we have a rational function. Whenever we have a rational function. What do you mean by a rational function? What do you mean by a rational number? वही चीज rational function के लिए, correct? Rational number क्या होता है? What is a rational number or what is a rational equation? What it is? A rational number is a number which can be represented in the form of p by q. Rational function is a function which is in the form of p of x by q of x. Similar concepts है. जो बचपन में सीखे थे वही concept है. हाँ, थोड़ा अलग सा है because तभी we were talking about numbers and now we are talking about functions. That is the difference. But ठीक है, relate तो कर पाते हैं, right? So let's see what it is. Rational function. Rational functions are those functions which are in the form of p of x by q of x, where the degree of p of x is less than the degree of q of x. Getting it? Correct? देखो, whenever so आपको याद है in rational numbers also what we have, suppose if I give you a number which is 3 by 4 and a number which is 13 by 4. What is the difference between both? This is a proper fraction, correct? And the other is an improper fraction. Perfect? A proper fraction and an improper fraction. Thus, if you know this, then understanding a rational function is equally easy. Which means what? If we have a rational function which is p of x by q of x, correct? P of x, if degree of p of x, or let's take an example instead of this. Suppose if I take x plus 1 by x square plus 2x plus 3. Correct? This is p of x by q of x form. Correct? p of x by q of x form may, can you tell me what is the degree of the p of x? Degree of p of x is equal to 1 and degree of q of x is equal to 2. See, the degree of q of p of x is less than the degree of q of x. Correct? Then this becomes a proper rational function. Proper rational function. Correct? Now the other type of example where I can take x square plus 2x plus 3, or okay, if you reverse it out, x plus 1. Now what is happening? You also have this in the form of p of x by q of x, but here the degree of p of x is 2 and the degree of q of x is equal to 1. Here that means 2 is greater than 1. So this becomes what? This becomes an improper rational function. Correct? Improper rational function. There is absolutely no difference as far as the concept is concerned when it comes to a rational or a proper fraction and an improper fraction and a proper function and an improper function. दोनों का मतलब same दिखता है. आप देखिए, are you getting it? Both of them give you the same understanding. Correct? Same. Correct? Keep this in mind because we are going to use this fundamental further, and then first of all, let us see how we can, so how to bifurcate this. Problem is not solving a rational function or problem is not solving this kind of a function. Proper function तो बहुत आसान हो जाएगा solve करना, correct? क्योंकि we are having the degree is going to be the same. Problem आता है when it is an improper function. Improper function के वक्त हम क्या करेंगे? So देखो, see if you recollect in the last we already seen what are proper functions. Proper functions का integration हमने already कर दिया है. कभी when we did proper functions, अरे this we did no बाबा, integration in the last 7.4. Didn't I tell you in 7.4 we have handled integration of linear equation by quadratic equation, correct? So then x plus 2 by x square plus 2x plus 3 dx. अगर मैं ऐसे if I have to integrate that, this and this is same. So this we know already, correct? So these were the type of questions actually we have already dealt in the previous question, correct? So that is not an issue. कोई भी, I mean I can take one more example here. Suppose if I take x plus 3 ले लो, okay, and I have x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 4. This is also because degree is 1, here degree is 3 and 1 is less than 3. This is also a proper rational function. ठीक है? तो ये वाले sums हमने पहले देख लिए. There is no problem at all. We know how to solve this, correct? Though the problem here is degree, when the degree of p of x is greater than the degree of q of x. Coming back to the example which I showed, 3/4 में problem नहीं है. करेक्ट? हमने यहाँ पे एक एग्जाम्पल लिया था 3/4. करेक्ट? 3/4 में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, इसे तो हमें पता है, we know what to do. Problem is 13/4. 13/4 what we'll do? What do we do normally? We will say 4 3s are 12, then remainder 1/4. Yes, and we call this as what? We call this as mixed fraction. Remember? Correct? Same ही करना है. Absolutely same you have to do. कैसे करेंगे? सो व्हेन वी हैव एन इम्प्रॉपर रैशनल फंक्शन, वी विल यूज द पॉलिनोमियल डिवीजन फॉर्म, जो ग्रेड 9 में याद है, ग्रेड 9 सीखा था, उसको यूज करेंगे हम। कैसे यूज करेंगे? ये एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं नेक्स्ट पेज पर, एंड वी विल सी। या फिर यहाँ पे छोटी सी जगह क्रिएट करते हैं एंड देखेंगे। सो सपोज वी हैव x plus 1 by x square plus 2x plus 3. So this is a proper function, हमको लेना चाहिए नीचे का, this we have to take, correct? So x square plus 2x plus 3 divided by x plus 1, correct? So if you have to put this into like a mixed fraction form, so you have to divide this. So you will have x plus 1 divided by x square plus 2x plus 3. किसी को ये तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है कि अंदर कौन सा बाहर कौन सा? Yeah, I hope सबको क्लियर है, करेक्ट? So this will be x, this will be x into x will give you x square, this will give you plus x, correct? ये minus, this will cut, you get x down plus 3, तो आंसर आएगा plus 1. This is going to be plus 1. 1 into 1 is going to be 1. Oh, sorry, 1 into x is going to be 1, and plus is going to be 1. So this is going to be minus, this to cut jayega, this will be 2. So you have, this is your quotient, correct? So how can you write this? So this we can write down as, see, we write out into quotient, remainder by divisor, correct? So quotient kya hai apna? The quotient is x plus 1 into remainder by x plus 1, correct? Getting it? This is how we put them. तो देखो ये, this is also a mixed fraction type, correct? Mixed function बोल सकते हैं इसे, correct? So this is how we have to convert them, and then we have to solve, and then we have to bring it to the partial fraction form, correct? Partial fraction करने के लिए, see, this is actually called as इंटीग्रेशन. ये जो पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन का इंटीग्रेशन हम करेंगे, उसके लिए वी हैव सर्टेन फॉर्मूलाज. आई होप एवरीबडी अंडरस्टूड दिस कॉन्सेप्ट. इफ यू हैवंट अंडरस्टूड, थोड़ा एक बार देख लो अपना पुराना मिक्स फ्रैक्शन, फ्रैक्शंस वही सब है. थोड़ा थोड़ा करते करते आपको पता चलेगा व्हेन वी डू सम एग्जांपल्स जैसे जैसे. बट अभी तक हमने इंटीग्रेशन चालू ही नहीं किया है. हमने अभी तक जो कर रहे हैं हम, दैट इज नथिंग बट ओनली दी फ्रैक्शंस एंड फंक्शंस में क्या सिमिलैरिटी है, प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन क्या है, इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन क्या है, प्रॉपर फंक्शन क्या है, इम्प्रॉपर फंक्शन क्या है, एंड हाउ टू कन्वर्ट इट. दैट इज व्हाट इट इज. वी हैवंट येट स्टार्टेड एनीथिंग, करेक्ट? अभी चालू करेंगे. लेकिन तो ये सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए वी हैव अ सेट ऑफ फॉर्मूलाज, करेक्ट? वो सेट ऑफ फॉर्मूलाज वी विल सी फर्स्ट व्हाट दे आर, करेक्ट? एंड then we will solve the sums, correct? So this is going to be formula for solving partial fractions. ये सारे formulas आसान है, actually very आसान, very easy, okay? And you can partial fractions, yes. Okay. समझो एक बार, कुछ टेक्निक में हमेशा बोलती हूँ, फाइंड आउट योर टेक्निक, what to do, and if you can't find one, then follow my technique, correct? All right. तो इसे याद कैसे करेंगे? देखो, पहले तो 5 टाइप, we are going to deal with 5 things, okay? Quadratic, cubic, correct? Like that. So quadratic equation, जो नॉर्मल हमारे जो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस होते हैं, x square plus whatever, ax square plus bx plus c टाइप्स, करेक्ट? उसे हम कैसे बता सकते हैं? We can say it is going to be x minus a, factorize form, correct? x minus a, x minus b. This can give you quadratic equation, correct? फिर we can get it by x minus a the whole square. This can give you quadratic equation, correct? Yeah, दो quadratic. Now let us see cubic कैसे आएगा. तो फर्स्ट फॉर्म से क्यूबिक आ सकता है, करेक्ट? क्यूबिक कैसे आएगा? यू विल गेट इट as x plus x minus a into x minus b into x minus c, correct? Like that you can get cubic. What is the other way that you can get cubic form? I'll write it down here, this side. Other way of writing, other way of getting cubic form, what will that be? It can be a quadratic multiplied by a cubic, quadratic multiplied by a linear, correct? So that will be a quadratic equation, which you can get by x minus a square, correct, into x minus b, right? And another way of getting a cubic equation can be x minus a into x square plus bx plus c. यही 5 है, हमें उससे ज्यादा तो नहीं है. तो नाउ अगर नीचे क्वाड्रेटिक है तो वी नीड अ प्रॉपर रैशनल फंक्शन, करेक्ट? पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन है, बट उसके साथ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड इट टू बी अ प्रॉपर रैशनल फंक्शन. A proper rational function. Proper rational function का requirement is the degree of the numerator has to be less than the degree of the denominator. So this will be px plus q. Correct? This will also be px plus q. ये एक simple p भी हो सकता है, but maximum जाते हैं हम लोग. Correct? अभी है तो maximum ऊपर the numerator can be px square plus qx plus r. Correct? अच्छा, this is also cubic, so maximum lowest क्या हो सकता है? Maximum lowest is going to be px square plus qx plus r, correct? और यहाँ पर भी क्या होगा? This will also be px square plus qx plus r. अच्छा, अब we will start writing. ये दो brackets है, correct? So this simply will be a by x minus a plus b by x minus b, correct? Okay, this will be what? देखो दोनों भी same है, so this will be a by x minus a plus b by x minus a the whole square, correct? This will be a by x minus a plus b by x minus b plus c by x minus c, correct? Okay, here what are you going to have? This is going to be x minus, this is going to be a by x minus a plus b by x minus a the whole square plus c by x minus b, correct? And this will be this have to be a little careful, where it is a by x minus a plus bx plus c by x square plus bx plus c. Okay, copy these formulas, okay, for once, and then here we must understand one thing here, that a and b are real numbers. Copy these formulas, okay? आपके पास दो ऑप्शन है, का तो ये समझो, हमेशा लिखो, and make it like you know them like a pro, या फिर दूसरा ऑप्शन है, आप इसे बाय हार्ट करो और यूज करो. कोई भी ऑप्शन चूज करो, करना आपको ये पड़ेगा ही. ऑप्शन आपके पास तीसरा है नहीं. यू हैव टू नो दिस, करेक्ट, टू सॉल्व questions by partial fractions. You will have to know this very well, correct? So try to do these sums, try to copy this whatever is written on the board, the formulas that have been written on the board, and after that we will do some, we can see, the only thing we have to do is we have to understand this much better by doing examples, which we will do. Copy the question, copy the formulas given to you, and the moment you finish copying the formulas, we will start doing the exercise, not the exercise, rather some examples. Exercise, so I think after the examples, see, because whatever type of questions are expected in the example, we are doing those examples, correct? Whatever type of questions are there in the exercise, we are doing all those type of examples in our in our introductory class, in our explanation class. So I think more or less you should be able to solve it. अगर कुछ नहीं आता, you should tell me, right? As all of you know that I'm trying to create this video so that you can access these videos at your own time, to practice. Even after that topic is taught in the class, if you don't understand something, you should refer to these videos and try to see that if you have understood whatever has been taught in the class, correct? क्योंकि in the class जब आप होते हो तो you can talk to me and ask to me right away. But कभी अगर ऐसे हो जाता है कि आपको अगर नहीं पता तो you can easily go through the videos and check if that doubt in your mind has been solved in the video or not, correct? Okay, come on, let's take the first example now. Example is a better way of understanding and solving these questions. So let's take the first example. Okay, तो first example will be integration of, बहुत आसान सा होता है, हमेशा first example आसान ही होता है, integration of dx by x plus 1 into x plus 2. So what are we going to do here? See, this is what very clear, it's a proper rational function. क्यों proper rational function? अरे क्योंकि ऊपर 1 है, 1 का डिग्री 0 है, 0 का डिग्री is less than the degree of the denominator, तो it's a proper rational function, तो दिमाग चलाने की जरूरत नहीं है. So first of all we will take this how? We will take this as, so 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2. इसे आप लास्ट एक्सरसाइज जैसा भी सॉल्व कर सकते हो, लेकिन वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व इट लाइक दिस, करेक्ट? ओके, वी हैव टू राइट दिस एज a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2, correct? If you take the LCM on the right hand side, you will get x plus 1 into x plus 2. This is equal to, if you take the LCM, denominator will be x plus 1 into x plus 2. And by cross multiplication, you will get a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1, correct? So this entire denominator will get cancelled. So now you have 1 is equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. Now we have to find out the value of a and b, correct? So first of all, we will take x is equal to a and b value के लिए. First, you can make a 0 and get the value of b, and then you can make b 0 and get the value of a. That is what you have to do. I think that's the simplest method to do, correct? So first of all, let us make a equal to 0, for which we will take x is equal to minus 2. A will be 0 if you take x equal to minus 2, correct? This will be 1 is equal to a into minus 2 plus 2, correct? Plus b into minus 2 plus 1, correct? That will give you what? This is going to give you 1 is equal to, ये तो 0 हो जाएगा ना पूरा, so this will be what? b into minus 2, this will go to minus b, right? So minus 1 is equal to b then, correct? Now we have to find out the value of a. Similarly, we'll find out the value of a. How you'll find out the value of a? a का वैल्यू निकालने के लिए b को 0 करेंगे. For b को 0 करने के लिए we have to take x is equal to minus 1. If you take x is equal to minus 1, then 1 is equal to a into bracket minus 1 plus 2 plus this will be this will be b into bracket plus b into bracket minus 1 plus 1, correct? b का वैल्यू तो minus 1 आ ही गया है, okay? तो उसको भी डालेंगे तो वैसे भी, but anyway, taking it that way. So then what? So 1 is equal to, this will be 0 now. So you have 1 is equal to a, because this will be 1, correct? So you got these two values. Okay. Now you are all set to solve your question, and it's going to be very easy. Once you get the value of a and b, then things are absolutely easy, because उसके बाद आपको ये rewrite करना है the entire function that you have to simply rewrite that function. So how you going to rewrite this function? So this function at this stage you can rewrite it, therefore this is equal to integration of dx by x plus 1 into x plus 2 now can be written as integration of 1 by 1 a का वैल्यू क्या है? 1. सी at this stage, correct? 1 by x plus 1 plus minus 1 by x plus 2 dx, correct? Now we have to solve this. So if you call this as I, correct? So this will be what? This is going to be integration of 1 by x plus 1 dx minus, because plus into minus will become minus, integration of 1 by x plus 2 dx, correct? So what is the integration of 1 by x plus 1? Simply this is going to be log of modulus x plus 1 plus integration of this will be minus आएगा नहीं है. Okay, 1 second. कभी keys don't work and they act sometimes, you know, the machine acts more intelligent. Okay, so it's going to be x minus log of modulus x plus 2. अब logarithm के रूल आपको पता होने चाहिए, तो ये आंसर पूरा नहीं है. logarithm के रूल पता होने चाहिए. Do you know that log of m minus log of n is equal to log of m by n, correct? The same rule we can use and we can write our answer, final answer to be log of modulus x plus 1 by x plus 2 modulus plus c. So this is your final answer. I hope everybody is getting it. ज़्यादा difficult नहीं है. अगर आपको formulas ये आते हैं तो the chapter is absolutely very easy. आपको ज़्यादा तकलीफ करने की भी जरूरत नहीं. Correct? Come on, फटाफट इसे copy करो and then we go ahead with it. Correct? You know, you can even watch the video, see if you've understood, close the video and then try to do it all by yourself. That is also another way of doing it. You should be able to solve it that way as well. Come on, chalo, let's go to the next question. तो क्या है? So example 2. So what are we going to have here? Let's see this time integration of x square plus 1 by integration of x square plus 5x plus 6 dx, correct? Now एक चीज you have to immediately observe here that the degrees are equal. Degrees are equal. If the degrees are equal, we cannot directly solve this question. If the degrees are equal, the first step is that if degrees are equal, मतलब ये क्या हुआ? यार ये improper function हुआ ना, फिर improper rational function. And if it is improper rational function, then you know what we have to do, correct? You have to we have to do the polynomial division and we have to find out the answer to it, correct? So let us divide. So यहाँ पे we will do the division here. So that's going to be x square. देखो numerator divided by denominator. Numerator में x की value नहीं है 0 and here is going to be x square plus 5x plus 6. Direct भी कर सकते हो, लेकिन अगर किसी को नहीं पता चल रहा है कि x का क्या हो गया, that is why I'm writing it, correct? So it's going to be ones are this is going to be x square plus 5x plus 6. Correct? This is minus and minus. So finally we'll have minus 5x minus 5. चलो, तो this is your quotient. This is your remainder. इससे आगे आप नहीं कर सकते ना divide, क्योंकि the degree of the remainder is less than the degree of the remainder is less than the divisor. So you cannot go beyond them. This is your remainder and this is your divisor. So how will you write this? In what form will you write this now? So this is equal to, this can be, we can say that this is equal to integration of 1 plus, देखो 1 plus 3 by 4 and 1 3 by 4, they are all same. This both are same, correct? I hope all of you know that, right? Okay, देखो 4 ones are 4 and 4 plus 3 will give you 7 by 4 और यहाँ पे भी 7 by 4 ही आएगा, correct? So the same concept है यहाँ पर. So you can write, तो जब भी QRD form लिखते हो तो you can write down 1 plus, this is going to be 1 plus minus 5 minus 6, correct? So Yeah. So minus 5x minus 5 divided by x square plus 5x plus 6. Sorry, plus 6 dx. Correct? Now, what are we going to do here? यहाँ पर ओके क्वेश्चन मैंने गलत लिखा है. दिस हैज टू बी माइनस. सो अच्छा इसे वापस करते हैं पूरा. ठीक है, वापस इन द सेंस डिविजन आई जस्ट डू अगेन क्योंकि आंसर थोड़ा अलग आएगा क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर चेंज हुआ है. सो क्विकली वी विल डू इट अगेन. ओके, सो दिस इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? दिस इज बी numerator is going to be x square plus 0x plus 1, correct? And here you have x square minus 5x plus 6. So this will be how much? This will be 1 it will be x square minus 5x plus 6. So this will be minus, this will be plus, and this will be minus. So this is going to be 5x minus 5. Okay, so this we can write down as integration of 1 plus 5x minus 5 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6 dx. Abhi to I think now it's very clear how it becomes, correct? Now you can separate this integration. This is going to be 1 dx plus integration of 5x minus 5 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6 dx. This is your I1 and this is your I2, correct? And then at the end, you know, we will do I1 plus I2, correct? I1 we know very well. I1 is equal to x, let's say, plus C1. Okay, we can just keep a box around this so that at the end of the session, we know where we have written it. Otherwise, okay. So now I'll erase this, okay? I think all of you would have written this. So ye main nikal deti hu, iske zarurat nahi hai, okay? Okay, now so we are going to solve what? We are going to solve I2. Okay, so we will solve I2 now. I2 we have as integration of 5x minus 5 by x square minus 5x plus 6 dx, correct? Now, so we can factorize the denominator. What are we going to do? So we will take I2 is equal to it. See, in the numerator, we can take 5 common and that 5 can just come out of the integration. 5 integration, this is going to be x minus 1 divided by, we all know this is going to be x minus 2 into x plus, x minus 2 into x minus 3 dx. Again, this is what form? We can take this as x minus 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3. This is equal to what? This is equal to a by x minus 2 plus b by x minus 3. Now I think all of you by now know what you have to do. Denominator nikal jayega. In the numerator, we will have x minus 1 is equal to a into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 2. Correct? So we can take x is equal to hamesha ke tarah. First we have to get rid of a, then we can get rid of b, either or. Correct? First we'll get rid of e by taking x is equal to 3. If x is equal to 3, then this is going to be 3 minus 1 is equal to a into 0 plus b into 3 minus 2. Correct? This is 3 minus 1 will give you 2 is equal to 3 minus 1 is going to be 1. So it's going to be b. So your value of b is equal to 2. Now we have to find out the value of a. अब आप direct भी कर सकते हो. इतना सारा तो जब initially. So for b, you have to take x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. That means this is going to be 2 minus 1 is equal to a into bracket 2 minus 3. b to 0 हो जाएगा. So there is no need to write b because it is b is going to just be 0. Correct? If you say 2 minus 2. So 2 minus 1 will give you 1. And this will give you a is equal to minus a. So minus 1 is equal to a. I hope everybody is getting it. ज़्यादा difficult नहीं है ये. एक बार now once you get this, then it becomes very easy because after this so you just have to apply the formulas और mostly तो log answers आते रहेंगे इसके. Correct? So what are we having now? So I2 क्या है हमारा? I2 is equal to, how does our I2 look like? I2 will be, now we have to put the value of A and B in the function there and we have to check. Correct? तो integration कैसे लगेगा? This will be 5 integration of x minus 1. I'm going to shift the board a little to the side and then I'm going to minimize whole thing. Okay, फिर minimize करेंगे. आप वीडियो पॉज करके कर सकते हो आगे पीछे, आपको दिख जाएगा. So this is going to be x minus 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3. How can you write that now? Further, we can write this as we can write this as 5 minus नहीं आएगा, sorry. This will be 5 integration of a का वैल्यू है -1 by x minus 2 और b का वैल्यू आया अपना 2. That's going to be plus 2 by x minus 3 dx. When you find the integration of the right hand side, that is as good as finding the answer for the left hand side. So now we will solve the right hand side. So then therefore we will take what? This is 5 integration of, ये integration जो है वो पूरे के लिए आएगा, ये भी -1 by x minus 2 dx plus integration of 2 by x minus 3 dx. Perfect. 5 तो ऐसे ही रहेगा. अंदर this will be what? This will be -1. Correct? -1 अगर बाहर आ गया, correct? -1 integration of 1 by, okay, let's do it. This will be -1 integration of 1 by x minus 2 dx. Correct? Plus 2 integration of 1 by x minus 3 dx. So now answer तो शायद आपके सामने है. All those people who have practiced the previous exercises now know very well. Your answer is going to be what? ये माइनस, देखो ये 5 को अगर अंदर ले लोगे आप तो दिस विल बी -5 और इसका इंटीग्रेशन विल बी व्हाट? दिस विल बी log of modulus x minus 2. Correct? Plus 5 into 2. 5 into 2 will be 10. 10 log of modulus x minus 3. अच्छा, ये अगर आपका यहाँ पे you had in the previous this thing we got C1. Correct? हमने C1 लिखा था, तो यहाँ पे we will have to write this as plus C2, right? Are you getting it what I'm saying? तो इसे थोड़ा अरेंज करते हैं, ये माइनस वाला है वो पीछे ले लेते हैं. So this is going to be 10 log modulus x minus 3 minus 5 log modulus x minus 2 plus C2. अब our answer is going to be what? Our answer finally our answer has to be written with x and I1 plus I2. I1 plus I2 क्या आएगा? I is equal to integration is equal to I1. I1 का आंसर कितना है अपना? X. So I1 is X and I2 is equal to plus 10 log modulus x minus 3 minus 5 log x minus 2 plus C1 plus C2 दोनों मिलके एक ही कांस्टेंट आएगा. So this is your final answer. Perfect. This is your final answer. आपने शायद मेरे साथ सॉल्व किया ही है, but to have the one view of the question, I'm just going to minimize the whole thing so you can have a look at the entire question in one board itself. Correct? To have a look at the entire question in one board is more easy. अगर आपके 2-3 boards आगे पीछे, that's why I try to fit everything in one board so that you get one glance of the entire sum, unless the sum is so huge that we have to keep going to the next page. But nonetheless, we'll try and see that we maintain this. Okay? I hope everybody has understood this. उसकी दूसरी मेथड भी है करने की, चाहिए तो हम वैसे भी कर सकते. करेक्ट? अगर ये आपको समझा और आपको कंफ्यूजन नहीं चाहिए तो फाइन, कभी नेक्स्ट आगे जाके वी कैन डू दैट मेथड एज वेल. दैट मेथड इज आल्सो वेरी इजी. फाइनली यू लैंड अप विद द सेम आंसर, सो प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है कुछ. ठीक है, चलो. So let's do the next exercise. यहाँ पे next sum कैसे करेंगे इसे देखते हैं. Let's go to the next page. So अभी तक हमने जो भी sum सीखे they were not very difficult. उसमें तो we didn't have much complications. Questions भी proper थे, easy थे, हमको आ रहे थे, square थे, तो we didn't have much trouble there. थोड़े cube के sums करते हैं and you will get the hang of how to kind of solve the cube sums as well. So let's see. This is an example of sum which has a cubic denominator. So we can say 3x minus 2 divided by. आंसर्स इसमें बड़े बड़े आते हैं बट सम्स वैसे डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. करेक्ट. x square into x plus 3 dx. करेक्ट. सो तो ये विच फॉर्म इज दिस, डू यू रिमेम्बर? दिस इज द फॉर्म वेयर यू हैव, ये कौन सा फॉर्म है आपको याद है? दिस इज px square plus qx plus r by x minus a the whole square into x minus b. ये वाला फॉर्म है. करेक्ट. उसे हम क्या करते थे याद है? going to be a by x minus a plus b by x minus a the whole square and plus c by x minus b. काफी आसान है. करेक्ट. तो फिर देखो, और एवरी दिस इंटीग्रेशन अलग तरीके से भी करना पड़ता है कभी कभी. करेक्ट. तो वी विल हैव टू यूज दिस नाउ. तो आई एम गोइंग टू इरेज दिस ऑफ. आप लोग लिखो इसे आपके रेफरेंस के लिए. ओके. सो बाय यूजिंग दैट वी कैन से दैट 3x minus 2 by x plus 1 the whole square into x plus 3. This is equal to a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 1 the whole square plus c by x plus 3. Correct? Now, अभी तो आसान है ना. So because now simply you have to find out what? You have to find out the LCM. LCM क्या आएगा? x plus 1 the whole square plus into x plus 3. करेक्ट. सो ये जो होता है ना वही LCM होता है हमेशा, उतना याद रखो. करेक्ट. सो 3x minus 2, क्योंकि इसे काटना है ना फाइनली हमें, x plus 1 the whole square into x plus 3. बच्चे क्या करते हैं? राइट हैंड साइड को आइसोलेशन में देखते हैं. टाइम पास बहुत होता है. लुक एट द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. अरे फाइनली यू हैव टू गेट रिड ऑफ द डिनोमिनेटर. सो जो डिनोमिनेटर में वही एलसीएम आएगा. हाँ, आपको देखना ये कि यहाँ पे इसे मल्टीप्लाई किससे करना है. तो अगर x प्लस 1 ऑलरेडी है तो इसका एक फैक्टर है, तो यहाँ पे आपको और एक x प्लस 1 चाहिए और x प्लस 3 चाहिए. करेक्ट. दैट इज व्हाट यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई. बस उतना आपको एक बार पता चल गया, उसमें देयर इज नो इशू. ठीक है. चलो लेट्स सी. सो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा ऊपर? This will be a into x plus 1 into x plus 3 plus b into x plus 3 plus c into x plus 1 the whole square. Perfect. चलो. सो और इसका डिनोमिनेटर तो एक्चुअली चला जाएगा, लेकिन फिलहाल लिखते हैं, आगे वाले स्टेप में निकाल देंगे. x plus 1 the whole square into x plus 3. Okay, now denominator will go away, so finally we will have 3x minus 2. इसके ब्रैकेट्स अगर हम खोल देते हैं, सपोज a के रखेंगे, which is equal to a into x plus 1 into x plus 3, and I think ब्रैकेट खोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. Simply we can just substitute the values of x and we can get the values there. Correct. X plus 1 the whole square. Correct. Now, so let's see a का वैल्यू कैसे आएगा. इफ यू a का वैल्यू मतलब अगर आप x को -1 ले लो या x को -3 ले लो, आप कुछ भी ले लो, a का वैल्यू 0 आ जाएगा. करेक्ट. सो लेट अस टेक x इक्वल टू -1. इफ यू टेक x इक्वल टू -1, दिस विल बी -3 - 2 इज इक्वल टू a का अगर -1 लिया तो ये 0 हो जाएगा. इवेंचुअली पूरा a विल बी 0. सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक डायरेक्टली b विल बी -1 + 3 प्लस c भी 0 हो जाएगा. c 0 हो जाएगा क्या? -1 क्योंकि 0 का स्क्वायर, क्योंकि -1 करेक्ट, तो सी भी 0 हो जाएगा, ये भी 0 हो जाएगा, राइट। सो बी का वैल्यू मिलेगा हमें, दिस इज गोइंग टू गिव -5 इज इक्वल टू 2b. So -5/2 is equal to b, correct? Now अभी -1 लिया, लेट अस टेक x इक्वल टू -3. x इक्वल टू -3 मिलने के बाद b वी कैन गेट रिड ऑफ b एंड वी कैन गेट रिड ऑफ a, तो c की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी, करेक्ट. सो दिस विल बी 3 3s are -3, दैट इज इक्वल टू -9. अलग कलर में करते हैं तो पता चलेगा, वरना काफी मिक्स हो रहा है. ओके, सो x इज इक्वल टू -3. -3 3 3s are, दैट इज इक्वल टू -9 -2, दैट्स इक्वल टू a. देखो a को अगर यहाँ पे 0 आया क्योंकि -3 है, तो पूरा का पूरा a 0 हो जाएगा, करेक्ट. तो आई मे नॉट राइट a के जगह पे चाहिए तो 0 लिखो. ओके, तो a 0 आएगा, b विल ऑल्सो बिकम 0, c इंटू ब्रैकेट -3 + 1 द होल स्क्वायर, करेक्ट. तो ये कितना आएगा, दिस विल बी -11 इज इक्वल टू, this is going to be -2 का स्क्वायर will be 4, correct, 4c. So -11/4 is equal to value of c. I hope everybody is getting this, correct. So now we have to find out the value of a. अब a का गड़बड़ ये है कि you take -3 a will be 0, you take -1 a will be 0, but हम x की कोई भी वैल्यू ले सकते हैं ना, we can take any value of x. So for any value of x, this time I am going to take x equal to 0. If x equal to 0, मतलब यहाँ पे आएगा 3 into 0 will give me 0, 0 and -2 that will give me -2. -2 is equal to a की वैल्यू कितनी आएगी, a into bracket 0 + 1 will be 1, 0 + 3 will be 3, करेक्ट. अच्छा, अगर if you take x equal to 0, so और b का वैल्यू हमारे पास है ऑलरेडी, करेक्ट. सो दिस विल बी +5 into 0 + 3. This is going to be -5/2. B का value is -5/2. X का value is taken 0, so that is going to be 3. So this will be multiplied by 3. Correct? ये आएगा B, and this is going to be plus C value we already have. C value is also -11/4. So we can take this as -11/4, and then this is going to be X. X is 0, so 1 ka square will be 1. So this is not going to make any change. This is 1. This is 1 bracket, correct? So what do you have here? We have -2 is equal to 3a minus 15/2 minus 11/4. So that's equal to how much? LCM will be 4. That is 30. 30 minus 30, that's going to be -41, correct? So this is going to be -2 is equal to 3a minus 41/4. कैलकुलेशन करो आप, देखो LCM 4 आएगा ना, LCM 4 आएगा, इसे 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, 15 2s are, this is going to be -30 minus 11 minus 41/4, करेक्ट. तो डायरेक्ट लिखना है -41/4. -41/4, if you take it this side, that will be how much? That will be minus, I'll do the calculation here and write the answer directly. So it's going to be -2 plus 41/4 will give you 3a, correct. So it's going to be -8 plus 41 by 4, correct. That will give you how much? 33/4. A is equal to, this is equal to 33/4, correct. 33/4 is equal to 3a, correct. So 33/4 is equal to 3a. This 33/4 into 3 is equal to a. So a will be 11/4, correct. So a will be 11/4 is equal to a. Getting it? थोड़ा सा बोर्ड ऊपर कर लेते हैं, थोड़ा जगह मिलेगा. ओके, सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 11/4 इज इक्वल टू a, करेक्ट. ये कैलकुलेशन आप करके रखो यहाँ पर. आई एम ओके. सो इसे थोड़ा मिनिमाइज करते हैं सो दैट आई कैन यूज दिस पार्ट फॉर द कैलकुलेशन, करेक्ट. तो थोड़ा सा मिनिमाइज करेंगे और आप लोग इसे रखो. ओके, ठीक है, थिंक। ओके, सो ये इरेज कर देते हैं इसे यहाँ से, and we can take the board here directly. Now we have the value of A, B and C. Now once you have the value of A, B and C, now we know what we have to do. It is very easy. हमें क्या करना है, हमें सिर्फ we have to substitute these values and rewrite the entire integration again. Correct? How many of you by now are confident that you will be able to do this? Correct? ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं है अगर आपको पता चल रहा है कि हमने क्या किया है अब तक, and if you have been following up the previous examples religiously, now you know how to rewrite your integration again. Correct? So we will rewrite the integration again. I'll shift it a little bit and then we will again minimize the whole board for one glance. Correct? तो करेंगे इसे. Okay, this integration, तो इससे this integration itself, या फिर ऐसे लिखते हैं, ठीक से, integration of 3x minus 2 by x plus 1 the whole square into x plus 3 dx. This now can be written as integration of a का value is 11 by 4 into 1 by x plus 1. Okay, you will need this. Okay, into x plus 1. Okay, plus, okay, minus 5 by 2, क्योंकि b का value was 5 by 2, b value is minus 5 by 2. Okay, minus 5 by 2 into 1 by x plus 1 the whole square minus c value is 11 by 4 into 1 by x plus 3. करेक्ट? बहुत ज्यादा आसान हो गया है अभी. कोई भी बच्चा जो थोड़ा बहुत भी इंटीग्रेशन जानता हो, अभी पता चलेगा उसको कि ये सब कैसे करना है. करेक्ट? अभी we are going to solve the left hand side. Left hand side कैसे करेंगे? Therefore we are going to take this as 11 by 4 कॉमन ले सकते हैं. करेक्ट? Integration of 1 by x plus 1 dx minus 5 by 2 integration of 1 by x plus 1 the whole square dx minus 11 by 4 integration of 1 by x plus 3 dx. Perfect. Now, अभी आसान है because this is your I1, I2, I3. करेक्ट? इसे आप t पकड़ के भी कर सकते हो, t to the power minus 2, लेकिन डायरेक्ट करो. बहुत टाइम नहीं है अपने पास और इतनी जगह भी नहीं है और इतना समय भी नहीं है कि आप उसको सब्स्टिट्यूशन करके वापस डेरिवेटिव सब्स्टिट्यूशन करोगे तो अगेन dt. तो डायरेक्ट करो इसे. इफ यू टेक दिस, देखो दिस यू हैव टू यूज एज x raised to minus 2 टाइप. करेक्ट? एंड डायरेक्टली डू इट. करेक्ट? सो लेट्स डू दिस. 11 by 4 into log of modulus x plus 1 minus 5 by 2. Check. See, this is x raised to minus 2. X raised to minus 2, that is x raised to n. X raised to n is x raised. Getting it or no everybody? ये जो पार्ट है, ओके, उसे आप कैसे कर सकते हो? अगर नहीं करना है तो इसे इंटीग्रेशन ऐसे कैसे रखेंगे? I'll do it gradually only. Wait. Okay, minus 2, minus 5 integration of, I'm going to write down this as x plus 1 raised to minus 2. Getting it? पता चल रहा है आपको? इसे नहीं लिखना चाहिए, गलत चीज है ये. एक काम करते हैं, I1, I2, I3 करते हैं, बेटर है. करेक्ट? सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी योर I1, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी योर I2 एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी योर I3. अगर किसी को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो बेटर है कि हम लोग ऐसे करें. तो I1 लेट अस सॉल्व. I1 इज इजी. इट इज इक्वल टू 11 by 4 log of modulus x plus 1 plus c1. करेक्ट? I2 कैसे करेंगे? We have minus 5 by 2 integration of, देखो x plus 1 के जगह पे I am going to write this as x plus 1 raised to minus 2 dx. Correct? And here I can take it as x raised to minus n. So x raised to minus 2 मतलब x raised to n integration dx. दिस इज इक्वल टू एक्स रेज टू n प्लस वन बाय n प्लस वन। ये बहुत बेसिक है, पहला यहाँ से चालू किया था, अब इतना तो आना ही पड़ेगा, इतना नहीं आया तो 12 की एग्जाम मत देना। ओके, सो इसको माइनस 5/2 is going to be x plus 1 raised to minus 2 plus 1 will give you minus 1, and denominator also minus 2 plus 1, that will also give you minus 1 dx, correct? And then we have I3. I3 will give you what? This will also give you 11 minus 11 by 4 log of modulus x plus 3. ये dx नहीं आएगा, I'm sorry, ये C2 आएगा. This is plus C2 and this is plus C3. अभी now after this आपका पूरा इंटीग्रेशन अभी रेडी है. You just have to write down your final answer which is I1, I2 and I3 together. So that will be 11. बाद में भी इसको सॉल्व करना है, खत्म तो ये नहीं होता है, ये एनसीईआरटी है, इतना जल्दी कुछ खत्म नहीं करते वो लोग. So 11/4. So I लिखेंगे पहले चाहिए तो. Okay, so I is equal to 11/4 log of modulus x plus 1 minus 5. यहाँ पे 2 आएगा, माइनस माइनस ये प्लस हो जाएगा, सो ये दिस विल बी प्लस देन, करेक्ट, प्लस 5/2 and x raised to minus x plus 1 raised to minus 1 will again come in the denominator, so it will be x minus x plus 1 in the bracket, correct, minus 11/4 log of modulus x plus 3 plus c. अब देखो this is 11/4 log x minus, this is 11/4 log x plus 1, दोनों को हम लोग एक साथ ले सकते हैं. So we can say integration of, we can write this as 5 to x plus 1 and log m minus log n use करके we can write down this as 11/4 log of modulus plus c, correct? So this is our final answer. इससे ज्यादा ये सॉल्व नहीं होगा, नहीं तो वापस क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा, right? So this is your final answer. इससे अभी I'm going to minimize this so that you can see the entire sum in one go. Yeah, yes, this is how the sum looks like. Perfect. So I hope you guys are getting the hang of it. थोड़ा थोड़ा आ जाएगा समझ में, करेक्ट? कैसे टेक्स्ट बुक के सम्स को सॉल्व करोगे ना तो और भी पता चलेगा. ओके, चलो लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नाउ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है? So we have the next example here. Okay, so this is integration of, इसे करते हैं, integration of x square by x square plus 1 into x square plus 4 dx. देखो is integration by, ये है तो proper fraction, you know, proper rational fraction function, बट हमारे पास ये सॉल्व करने के लिए कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं है, बिकॉज हमारा हाईएस्ट फॉर्मूला क्यूबिक का है, ये बाय क्वाड्रेटिक है, करेक्ट? x to the power 4 आएगा व्हेन यू ओपन दिस. वी डोंट हैव अ फॉर्मूला टू सॉल्व दिस, सो व्हेनेवर वी डोंट हैव द फॉर्मूला तो हम क्या करेंगे? जुगाड़. उसमें क्या होता है? वी विल ब्रिंग दिस इन द फॉर्म दैट वी वांट. कैसे करेंगे? बाय सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड. सो लेट्स सी हाउ द सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड वर्क्स. सो लेट अस टेक लेट, if we take x square is equal to y, correct? अगर x square is equal to y तो डेरिवेटिव तो लेना पड़ेगा. then 2x is equal to dy by dx. so dx is equal to dy by, नहीं यहाँ पे we can do without, okay let's see. अब ना, okay, let's not get into integration. Without integration करेंगे, correct? So we will say, let us write this x square by x square plus 1 into x square plus 4. यहाँ पे इंटीग्रेशन नहीं है तो हम लोगों को यहाँ पे फिर डिराइव करने की जरूरत नहीं, क्योंकि डिराइव करने के बाद ये कॉम्प्लिकेट हो जाएगा. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग दैट, व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, वी आर ओनली गोइंग टू टेक दिस फंक्शन लाइक दिस. तो इससे क्या करेंगे? लेट अस से दैट x square दैट मीन्स लेट एक्स स्क्वायर इक्वल्स वाई। तो ये सेम फंक्शन को हम कैसे लिखेंगे, वाई बाय वाई प्लस वन इंटू वाई प्लस फोर। हाँ, अभी ये तो सॉल्व करने का हमारे पास तरीका है, तो डायरेक्टली कर सकते हैं हम लोग, करेक्ट। तो इट्स गोइंग टू बी ए बाय वाई प्लस वन प्लस बी बाय वाई प्लस फोर। That means y is equal to a into bracket y plus 4 plus b into bracket y plus 1. That means if you take y is equal to minus 4, then y equal to minus 4. Color. Okay. So let us take y is equal to minus 4. If you take y equal to minus 4, तो ये आएगा minus 4 is equal to minus 4 is equal to a तो 0 हो जाएगा, b is going to be minus 4 plus 1, correct? So minus 4 is equal to minus 3, that is 4 by 3 is equal to b, correct? Now we have to find out a के लिए क्या करेंगे, so y is equal to minus 1, correct? Y is equal to minus 1. So that's going to be minus 1 is equal to a into bracket minus 1 plus 4. So minus 1, b तो 0 हो जाएगा ना, so b लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, is equal to 3a. So minus 1 by 3, that's equal to a. Perfect. Everybody getting it or no? अब सारा कुछ वैसे ही करना है जैसे हम पहले किया करते थे, and then it becomes pretty easy to solve. So what are you going to do now? Therefore, can we write down this is equal to integration of, तो अभी ये फंक्शन का इंटीग्रेशन करेंगे हम, करेक्ट? We'll find out the integration of this function. Okay, बाद में we will see what to do here. Okay, so integration of y square, नहीं y square नहीं, integration of y by y plus 1 into y plus 4, करेक्ट? इसको कैसे कैन वी डू इट? एक मिनट, इसका इंटीग्रेशन हम नहीं कर सकते, हम लोगों को जो वैल्यू मिली है a एंड b की, that is what we are going to just substitute here directly, क्योंकि we have not taken the integration of this, we have to take this integration only. So integration of x square by x square plus 1 into x square plus 4, this we can write down as integration of a की वैल्यू क्या है, a की वैल्यू माइनस, okay, this we can write down minus 1 by 3 into 1 by x square plus 1, correct? Plus 4 by 3 into 1 by x square plus 4 dx, correct? So this will then finally be written as I integration is equal to minus 1 by 3 integration of 1 by x square plus 1 dx plus 4 by 3 integration of 1 by x square plus 4 के जगह पे I can write down as x square plus 2 square, correct? x square plus 2 square. अगर आप देखो तो we have done this form just थोड़ी देर पहले, correct? That is equal to x square. This is what, which formula we can use here? This is equal to, this is in the form of what? This is equal to in the form of integration of 1 by x square plus a square. Inverse trigonometry function हमने किया था, याद है कि नहीं किसी को? So this will give us 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Inverse trigonometry नहीं, sorry. इसका 1 by quadratic equation वाला form, sorry. तो ये this same form we have to use here, correct? So this is our integration will be now 4 by दिस इज -1/3 का कितना आएगा? दिस विल बी -1/3 tan इनवर्स x/1, करेक्ट, क्योंकि a का वैल्यू 1 है यहाँ पर। ओके, प्लस इंटीग्रेशन इसका कितना आएगा? 4/3 का, 4/3 विल बी 4/3 इंटू x/a, because see this is 2 square, correct? So this will be 1/a का जगह पे 1/2 इंटू tan इनवर्स x/2 प्लस c। तो ये और ये कट जाएगा, 2 आएगा, and then your final answer will be integration of, if you want you can rearrange the whole thing, so this is going to be -2/3 1/3 tan inverse plus c, ये तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा सारा। ओके, so this will be 2/3 tan inverse x minus 1/3 tan inverse x plus c। what do you have here? देखो तो जरा, करेक्ट क्या आया? ये इज इक्वल टू, कौन लिखेगा इसको? tan इनवर्स 2/3। yeah, we can leave the answer here, I think that's fine, right? कुछ भी बाकी नहीं है। x/2, this is x/2, yeah, so this is your answer, सही है। yeah, that's it। okay, इसे मिनिमाइज करने की जरूरत नहीं है, आई थिंक दिस इज ऑल वेल पुट। या, सो दिस इज हाउ इट इज, लेट्स सी। आप जरा रुक के देखना, वीडियो को पॉज करना, समझना, बिना देखे सम सॉल्व करना, टैली करना, ये सब करना। अगर अभी करोगे तो सही है, एग्जाम के 5 दिन पहले करोगे तो कुछ फायदा नहीं है, करेक्ट? तो इसको, इट इज बेटर दैट यू ऑल डू इट नाउ, अंडरस्टैंड इट परफेक्टली एंड देन मूव अहेड। ओके, राइट, सो नेक्स्ट पेज पे जाते हैं एंड एक सम करते हैं। यू कैन ट्रीट दिस सम एज इम्पोर्टेंट। ओके, सो आई वांट टू मार्क दिस सम एज इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। देखते हैं, ये क्वेश्चन है 3 sin 5 -2 into cos 5 by 5 minus cos square 5 minus 4 sin 5। ओके, ये क्या है? इसे इंटीग्रेट करना है, करेक्ट? अच्छा, you have to integrate the following। यहाँ पे अगर लिखना नहीं है तो बोर्ड को थोड़ा नीचे कर लेते हैं और थोड़ा अच्छा लगेगा। सो वी कैन से इंटीग्रेट द फॉलोइंग। integrate the following function। okay, now यहाँ पर देखो, अगर if there is anybody, यहाँ पे क्या करोगे आप? क्या दिमाग में क्या आएगा आपके पास? क्या है? क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट, कैसे इसे कैसे सॉल्व करोगे? किसको क्या लेना है? ये सम को देखने के बाद आपको, यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग, दैट दिस सम कैन बी सॉल्व बाय सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड। दिस इज एविडेंट, क्योंकि साइन है, कॉस है, सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड ही चलेगा यहाँ पर, करेक्ट? बट व्हाट विल यू सब्स्टिट्यूट? So point blank, anybody can easily think about it, that your substitution will be, let cos square theta, cos square phi equal to 1 minus sin phi, sin square phi, correct? ये सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे एंड देन वी कैन यूज द सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड। पहले इसको सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे। सी, हु विल थिंक अबाउट दिस? ये सब्स्टिट्यूशन नहीं है अपना, करेक्ट? We are going to replace, we are going to substitute this, and then we are going to, after this, but this step will come in that student's mind. This step will be thought by that child who is regularly practicing these kind of sums. Not integration, I am saying, who is regularly in touch of the subject. Like रेगुलरली का मतलब ये नहीं कि स्कूल में टीचर करे और फिर आपका रेगुलर हो गया, नहीं, खुद का दिमाग यूज करके। जो टीचर्स बोर्ड पे सम्स करते हैं वो आप अगर मैकेनिकली कॉपी कर रहे हो विदाउट सोचे समझे, दैट इज यूजलेस, करेक्ट? सो when I say that you have to do it by yourself means you have to think yourself and do it. एग्जाम से 15 दिन पहले किसी बुक को लेकर बैठना और पढ़ाई करना, उसे पढ़ाई कभी कहते भी नहीं है, एटलीस्ट मैथ्स में, और साइंस वाले स्टूडेंट्स हो तो फिजिक्स में, उसे कभी भी पढ़ाई नहीं कहते। Yes, these subjects are the ones which you have to do regularly. This step will be taught by those kids who are doing something in maths every day, correct? Then you can think about it, okay? So come on, let's do it. So exam के 15 दिन पढ़ाई मत करना, कुछ फायदा नहीं है. Let's rewrite this whole thing again. If you write this again, so this entire thing will become what? It's going to be 3 sine phi, 3 sine phi minus 2. देखो cos, this will be cos phi by, we have taken this substitution, correct? So this is going to be 5 minus into bracket 1 minus sine square phi minus 4 sine phi. Getting it? Now you can substitute here. Let us take sine phi as t. Okay, so let's say let sine phi equals t. Therefore, cos phi is equal to dt by dx. Then dx is equal to dt by cos phi. Okay, I think now we are absolutely clear of what we have to do, and we have the entire function right in front of us. Okay, let's see. तो क्या करेंगे हम यहाँ पर फिर? So this is going to be, we will rewrite the whole function by substituting our t value. Okay. Correct? If you substitute the t value here, so let's substitute the t value. One sec. So let's integrate this. This is integration of, क्या आएगा? This will be 3t, because sine phi के जगह पे 3t minus 2 divided by, अच्छा cos तो ऐसे ही आएगा, ये कट जाएगा. Actually we know that it is going to get cut, but still 5 minus into bracket 1 minus t square minus 4t into dt by cos phi. So this and this will go, and finally we are left with integration of 3t minus 2 divided by, अब ये सारा ब्रैकेट जब आप खोल दोगे तो what will you get here? You will get 5 minus 1 plus t square minus 4t dt. That is integration of 3t minus 2 divided by 5 minus 1 will get you 4. So you have actually t square minus 4t plus 4 dt. So now the denominator is very easy, because you have this as 3t by plus 2 by t plus 2 the whole square dt. Perfect. Now I think all of you know how to solve this. इसे करते हैं solve फिर, right? So then this is equal to what? This is equal to integration of, now we know how we can put this, correct? अभी बताने की जरूरत नहीं है सबको, correct? So this can be 3t plus 2 by t plus 2 the whole square. This we can write down as a by t plus 2 plus b by t plus 2 the whole square. Now a or b, we have to find the value of a and b, and then I think it's going to be very easy. I'll push the board up because later on I'll minimize it, then you can see the value of a and b down there. Okay, and then I'll go to the other side of the board, correct? So now taking, how will you find the value of a and b? So we can say taking t, okay, इससे पहले क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद हमारे पास आएगा 3t plus 2 is equal to, देखो यहाँ पे आपको सिर्फ मल्टीप्लाई, बी को कुछ नहीं करना है ना, आपका बी तो ऐसे ही क्लियर है बिकॉज एलसीएम आपका उतना ही आएगा, करेक्ट? सो दिस गोइंग टू बी ए इनटू टी प्लस 2 प्लस बी. Perfect. Denominator will go away because the denominator will be what? It will be 2 plus t. I hope you guys are getting it. Oh, wait. This is t minus 2. Sorry. T minus 2. T minus 2. And this is also t minus 2 then. Yep. 3t. Oh, science. Sorry. Science का बहुत ज़्यादा गड़बड़ हो गया. This is minus. And this all is minus. और कहीं change हो करना है क्या? Minus and this is minus and this is minus. Okay. I think now it looks okay. तो क्या करेंगे now? I think we know now, correct? तो a की value कितनी आएगी? By taking, okay, now find out the value of a. A value we can find out by taking a equal to t equal to 2, correct? So taking t equals 2. Let's take the color. Okay, by taking t equals 2. If t is equal to 2, 3 2 that's 6 minus 2 is equal to, this is going to be 0 plus b. So 4 is equal to b. Okay, and then we have to find out the value of a. A value कैसे आएगी? X को 0 ले लेते, t को 0 लेते हैं. If you take t equal to 0, taking t equal to 0, that will give you what? Taking t equals 0, that will give you minus 2 is equal to a into bracket 0 minus 2 will give you minus 2, and b value you already have, it is plus 4. If you take the 4 this side, you will get minus 6 is equal to minus 2a. So 3 is equal to a. I hope everybody understood this. Correct? So a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4, and with that we have to rewrite the integration again. कैसे लिखोगे ये integration? अभी सबको पता है क्या करना है. बोर्ड मिनिमाइज कर दो, क्या कर दो? You are able to understand. If you guys are writing it, then बोर्ड का मिनिमाइज करने का वैसे जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन आपको अगर दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है तो I can minimize the board and I can show it to you. But a value and b value एक बार यहाँ पे लिख लेते हैं. Then I can, a value is equal to a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4, which I'll write here. So it will become easy. A is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4. So we will keep this value in mind, and now we can write down that this entire thing will become as okay. तो 3t इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 3t minus 2, ये इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम लोग? One second. Okay. Let's start writing this again. ये कैसे आएगा? So we can write this as what? We can write this as integration of 3t minus 2 divided by t minus 2 the whole square dt. How can we write this? We can write this as we can write this as integration of a by, correct, a by t by 2. तो यहाँ पे आएगा 3 by t minus 2 dt plus integration of 4 by t minus 2 the whole square dt. करेक्ट, डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हैं इसको. क्या करेंगे हम लोग, देयर इज इक्वल टू 3 log ऑफ मॉड्यूलस t minus 2, करेक्ट. और इसका कितना आएगा, प्लस, सी दिस कैन बी टेकन एज रेज टू -2, करेक्ट. पहले भी हमने इसको किया हुआ है, राइट. तो t minus 2 the whole square, t minus 2 the whole square, इसको कैसे करेंगे, -2 अगर करते हैं, सो दिस विल बी, वेट 1 सेकेंड, t minus 2 raised to -2, so this will be +1 by -1, so this will be 4 log t raised to -1, that's equal to 4 log of t minus 2 raised to -1 by -1, करेक्ट. यहाँ पे प्लस आएगा, okay. So this will be what, this will be plus 4 log of this is log of modulus, ये log नहीं आएगा, what's wrong with me, sorry, this will be t minus 2 raised to -1 by -1, करेक्ट. और ये आएगा प्लस c. अच्छा, अभी t का वैल्यू हमको वापस साइन जो हमने लिया था, वी हैव टू कम बैक टू द सेम वैल्यू. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 3 log ऑफ मॉड्यूलस, व्हाट इज t, t इज इक्वल टू साइन पाई -2 प्लस 4. देखो ये 4 तो डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा और ये माइनस हो जाएगा, बिकॉज प्लस एंड माइनस माइनस, 4 बाय साइन पाई -2 plus c, correct. So basically sin phi 2, I think this is what is going to be your answer. Okay, finally. Okay, I hope you guys have understood what we have done. Okay, so this is your final answer. इसे आंसर्स को अपने बॉक्स करके हाईलाइट करना सीखो, दैट विल बी much better, because you can make sure that, okay, this is the one glance of the sum. Please देखो इसको पूरी तरह. अगर if I'm shifting the board, और अगर ये आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि आप क्या कर रहे हो और कैसे आगे पीछे जा रहा है, तो you can look at the one glance after you finish, तो ताकि आपको पता चले कि पूरा का पूरा सब कैसे दिखता है. ठीक है, ओके, चलो. Going again, next, see, when we are solving sums following a particular book, okay, जब भी हम कोई भी बुक सॉल्व करते हैं, आपको ये ट्राई करना चाहिए that your answers match to what is given in the book. अगर आपके आंसर्स बुक में मैच नहीं करते हैं, तो आपको कभी पता नहीं चलेगा आप कर रहे हो वो सही है कि नहीं, गलत है, सही है कि गलत है. समटाइम्स इट हैपेंस, जब भी आपकी एग्जाम आती है, तो पॉसिबल है कि 2 स्टेप पहले अगर आपका आंसर आता हो और आप वहां पे आपको लगता है कि ये सही लग रहा है, तो आप छोड़ देते हो. लेकिन अगर आप एनसीईआरटी सॉल्व कर रहे हो, एग्जाम्पलर सॉल्व कर रहे हो, या आर एस अग्रवाल सॉल्व कर रहे हो, तो यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट यू मैच द आंसर टू व्हाट दे हैव गॉट, बिकॉज unless and until you match the answer to what they have got, you will never know what you're doing is right or wrong, correct. So you have to try and match the answers. चलो, अब एक लास्ट एग्जांपल है, उससे करेंगे हम, and then we will go to the exercise there. Okay, okay, so this is integration of x square plus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1, no, x plus 2 into x square plus 1 dx. Okay, so we can do this as x square plus x plus 1 by x plus 2 into x square plus 1. इसको कैसे कर सकते हैं हम, देखो नीचे क्या है, ये कौन सा फॉर्म है, आपको याद आया कि नहीं आया? ये दिस इज ax² प्लस b वाला फॉर्म, करेक्ट? सो दिस इज इक्वल टू, ऊपर का तो आएगा a बाय x प्लस 2 and below we will have bx plus c in the next part divided by x² plus 1. Linear plus into quadratic वाला फॉर्म है ना ये. So now what can we take? We can take x is equal to -2 लेके. Okay, पहले तो इसको करते हैं, which is equal to x² plus x plus 1 is equal to a into bracket x² plus 1 plus bx plus c एक ब्रैकेट में रखेंगे और इसको लेंगे हम लोग x plus 2. Correct? Now to find out the value of a, b and c, first of all we will take x इक्वल टू -2 ले लेते हैं पहले, करेक्ट? क्योंकि x इक्वल टू -2 में ये पूरा का पूरा निकल जाएगा, करेक्ट? लेट अस सी हाउ इट वर्क्स, राइट? सो x इक्वल टू -2, सो माइनस x इक्वल टू -2, x इक्वल टू -2 मतलब -2 का स्क्वायर विल बी 4, -2 प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू a इंटू ब्रैकेट -2 का स्क्वायर विल बी 4 प्लस 1 एंड प्लस ये आएगा 0, correct? So 4 minus 2 is 2 and 2 plus 1 will give you 3. This is equal to 5a. So 3 by 5 is the value of a. Okay. Now okay, let's find out the value of b and c now, correct? जैसे जैसे आप उसको प्रैक्टिस करोगे तब वैसे वैसे ये वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट करना बड़ी मुश्किल की बात होगी नहीं आपके लिए. सो यहाँ पे कितना आएगा? लेट्स टेक x इक्वल टू 0. Let's take x equal to 0. If you take x equal to 0, then this will be 0 plus 0, this will be 1 and 1 is equal to x equal to 0 मतलब a की वैल्यू अभी हमारे पास है. We will substitute that value of a into 1 आ जाएगा ये, plus this will be b will be 0 now क्योंकि b के साथ 0 लग जाएगा, correct? This will be 0 plus c into bracket 0 plus 2 will be 2. Correct? So we'll get the value of c like this. So 1 is equal to 3 by 5 plus 2c. If you get 3 by 5 here, that will be 1 minus 3 by 5 is equal to 2c. 5 minus 3 will be 2 by 5 is equal to 2c. So 1 by 5 is equal to c. 1 by 5 is equal to c. And then we have to find out the value of b. अब b की वैल्यू ज्यादा मुश्किल है नहीं because we हमारे पास a b सारे वैल्यू a and c are values we have, so we can directly find the value of c now. So taking x equal to, वैसे x equal to कुछ लेने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, we'll just substitute the values. Okay, substituting, so we can just say that substituting a and c, so this will be, या फिर let us take x equal to 1, it will be easy. Okay, taking x equal to 1, this is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to, this will be 2, that's equal to 2 into 5 by sorry, is equal to 3 by 5, 2 into 3 by 5 plus 3b plus this is going to be 1 plus 2, this is 3 into 1 by 5, correct? This is equal to 3 is equal to 3 to the 6 by 5 plus 3b plus 3 by 5. Okay. What are you left with? So we can take 5, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 by 5 here, correct? 3 minus 9 by 5, we can take it directly, is equal to 3b. 5 3 is 15, 15 minus 9, 15 minus 9 is equal to 6, that is equal to 6 by 5 multiplied by 3 will give you b. So 2 by 5 is equal to b. अब इसके बाद आई थिंक एवरीबडी नोज व्हाट टू डू, उसमें मेरे कुछ भी बताने की जरूरत शायद है ही नहीं. आई नो ऑल ऑफ यू आर अवेयर ऑफ व्हाट टू डू हियर. इसे थोड़ा सा ऊपर करके आई एम गोइंग टू कॉपी दिस आउट एंड आई एम गोइंग टू यू नो ये क्या मुश्किल होती है कभी कभी. आगे से ले लेते हैं थोड़ा सा. बराबर है. ओके. So we're going to erase this bit so that I have a little space to do the sums. ठीक है. And I am not removing it. है वहां पर, आप लोग थोड़ा वीडियो आगे पीछे जाके करके देख सकते हो. It is there. And x and y and z की वैल्यू यहाँ पर. तो थोड़ा सा ऐसे करते हैं, दिख रहा है. Right. Right. Okay. So let's कंटिन्यू. अब तो मेरे ख्याल से सबको पता है कि क्या करना है. आई डोंट थिंक एनीबडी नीड्स एनी एक्सप्लेनेशन देयर. आई थिंक एवरीबडी, बिकॉज अभी एकदम इट हैज कम इन द वेरी आसान फॉर्म. करेक्ट. इट्स कम इन अ वेरी इजी फॉर्म दैट हाउ टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. करेक्ट. तो लेट्स डू इट. तो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू राइट दिस इक्वेशन एज, इसको पूरा का पूरा कैसे लिखोगे आप. सो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स प्लस 1 बाय एक्स प्लस 2 into x square plus 1 dx. So this now can be written as a की value we have got a as 3 by 5. Correct. So how we are going to write down, this is integration of 3 by 5 into 1 by 3 by 5 into 1 by x plus 2. वन ग्लांस करेंगे वापस बोर्ड का. करेक्ट. आई नीड द स्पेस देयर राइट नाउ. करेक्ट. सो दिस विल बी 1 by 2 प्लस bx. b की वैल्यू कितनी है, 2 by 5. दैट इज इक्वल टू 2x by 5 plus 1 by 5 divided by x square plus 1. करेक्ट. x square plus 1. परफेक्ट. dx. अब इसे सॉल्व कर ही सकते हैं हम, प्रॉब्लम तो है नहीं कुछ. ठीक है. सो वी कैन टेक दिस एज 3 by 5 इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 by x plus 2 dx plus this will be 2x. See, this is going to be 2x plus 1 by 5 into bracket x square plus 1 dx. Correct. तो ये 5 बाहर आ जाएगा. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी 3 by 5 इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 by x plus 1 dx plus 1 by 5 इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 2x plus 1 by x square plus 1 dx. सबको बात समझ में आ रही है. देखो देखो क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पर, कुछ हो रहा है क्या. इसे हम लोग वापस we can separate this. Correct. See, so this is going to be 3 by 5 integration of 1 by x plus 1 dx, and this one I am going to write down as 5 and full integration of 2x by x square plus 1. Correct. Integration dx and this will be plus, इसको भी 1 by 5 लगेगा. Correct. Integration of 1 by x square plus 1 dx. I hope you guys are getting it. Correct. अच्छा, इसका तो बहुत आसान है. This is going to be 3 by 5 log of modulus x plus 1 plus c1. अच्छा, एक्चुअली यहाँ पे अगर आप प्रॉपरली सोचो, आई एम गोइंग टू डू वन थिंग. इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. ओके वेट, आई एम गोइंग टू पुट वन लाइन हियर. एक लाइन यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करते हैं, एक लाइन यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करते हैं बस. क्योंकि वो बीच वाला ही थोड़ा सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा। राइट, इसको कैसे करेंगे हम, 1 सेकंड ना। तो ये लाइन थोड़ी ज्यादा बड़ी होगी क्योंकि इतनी जगह इसको चाहिए नहीं है, बीच वाली जगह तो ज्यादा, वी नीड मोर स्पेस इन द सेंटर. So this is going to be what we can take this as 1 by 5. I will just see first what I'm doing and then you can do it by yourself. See 1 by 5 यहाँ पे you can take let, I'm doing the second this part, correct? ये जो green वाला part है, okay? So this is going to be let x square plus 1 equals t. So therefore 2x is equal to dt by dx. Correct. So this will imply that dx is equal to dt by 2x. So this actually will be 1 by 5 integration of 2x by t, 2x by t into dt by 2x. Correct. So ये कट जाएगा and you will have 1 by 5 log of modulus x square plus 1, correct? x square plus 1 क्योंकि t आएगा. आई होप ये सबको पता चला क्या किया है यहाँ पर, करेक्ट? ओके, इसको नाउ लास्ट वाला करेंगे. लास्ट वाला तो इट इज गोइंग टू बी व्हाट, ये a स्क्वायर प्लस x स्क्वायर प्लस a स्क्वायर फॉर्मेट है ना ये, तो ये कितना आएगा 1 by 5. दिस विल बी 1 by 5 log of, no 1 by 5, sorry 1 by 5 a square plus a square is equal to 1 by 5 into tan inverse 1 by 5 into tan inverse 1 by x square ना, what tan inverse x plus c, करेक्ट? क्योंकि x by 1 आएगा तो 1 तो 1 आता है, करेक्ट? सो दैट इज व्हाट इट इज. अब ये सारा कुछ समेट कर नाउ वी हैव टू राइट डाउन आवर फाइनल. एक्चुअली फाइनल आंसर आ ही गया है, लेकिन क्योंकि हमने बीच में लाइन ड्रॉ करी है तो फाइनल आंसर हमारा नहीं आया है इसकी वजह से. तो वी विल राइट डाउन आवर फाइनल आंसर. देन I is equal to, therefore then I is equal to, ये सारा साथ में लिखेंगे 3 by 5 log modulus x plus 1 है ना ये, यहाँ x plus 1 नहीं, ये x plus 2 है, ये x plus 2 है. ओके, मॉडुलस x plus 2 plus 1 by 5 log of modulus x square plus 1 modulus plus 1 by 5 tan inverse x plus c. This is your final answer, correct? वन ग्लांस एक बार देख लेते हैं, आपको भी पता चलेगा सम कैसे किया था. ये था अपना पर, वैसे सम ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं है बट बिकॉज आई हैव टू शिफ्ट द बोर्ड फ्रॉम हियर एंड देयर, तो कभी कभी ऐसे लगता है कि वो सम बड़ा है, करेक्ट? तो दिस इज हाउ वी डू सम्स ऑन पार्शियल फ्रैक्शंस एंड topic is not very difficult. You guys will have to try and do the sum by yourself. जितना आप खुद से करोगे, जितना खुद try करके solve करके exercise आप solve करोगे, that is the way you will be more confident about the chapter, correct? अगर आपको ऐसे लगता है कि आपको कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा है या आपको ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस चाहिए या नहीं समझा है, लाइव क्लास हम जब लेते हैं उसमें नहीं समझा है, तो ये वीडियोस देख के आप सॉर्ट आउट कर सकते हो. आप यू कैन पुट द डाउट्स इन द कमेंट्स इफ यू वांट. एज ऑफ नाउ आई एम ओनली रिकॉर्डिंग वीडियोस ऑफ एक्सप्लेनेशन and recording of solving the exercises we will do at a later stage. Okay, first of all let us finish the explanation so that you guys have something to refer to, correct? The topic इसके बाद वाला जो है that we will see, this is integration by parts after this. बट वो सारे चैप्टर्स सारे टॉपिक्स दे आर इंटर रिलेटेड. अगर आपको एक नहीं आया तो शायद आपको नेक्स्ट चैप्टर भी डिफिकल्ट जा सकता है, नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज डिफिकल्ट जा सकता है, सॉरी. तो आई रिक्वेस्ट दैट यू हैव टू डू दिस चैप्टर. इसके पहले भी हमने किया था, वो भी करो. आई विल पुट अप द लिंक देयर एंड फॉर रेफरेंस सो यू कैन रेफर टू दैट लिंक एज वेल. Okay, so I hope you guys are understanding what we are doing. Try and practice by yourself. Any doubt you guys have, put it in the comment and we will do it in the live class, or I will solve it, post the videos to solve your doubt. Okay. Okay then. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.